Guys, in my last video, we had embarked on an exciting journey to explore the fundamentals of Python and its vast application in the field of programming with the help of a free ultimate presentation, and which was very helpful for you to learn program and revise later on. So guys, I've created a Discord channel and the link of the is in the description, and you can join this this Discord channel free of cost. And I'm going to post the free ultimate presentation of Python made by me, which will help you to revise and learn Python, and it would be very helpful for you. Can also take notes from it, and you you can also you can just add all you can also edit it and add your personal notes to it, or your personal if you want something additional, you can also add to it. So I'm going to post the presentation in my YouTube, in my Discord channel. The link of the Discord channel is in the description, and you can join this Discord channel free of cost. So now let's get started. So I'm going to open my free the ultimate presentation which I've made. So let's open it. Guys, this was the presentation. So guys, now we are going to start a topic which is known as modules. This is my second video. So this is the second chapter. In the last video we ran the hello world program, and I asked you to enable the important settings of Visual Studio Code. So now we are all set for programming language, and now we need to learn the very first chapter, the very basic chapter, which is modules. As modules or modular system are designed to break down complex tasks or functions into smaller manageable components. They can be found in various aspects of daily life, making tasks more efficient and adaptable. Here are some examples of modules in daily life, like modular furniture and Lego, and you can read all those stuff and examples later when I will provide you the presentation in my Discord channel. Guys, now I'm going to explain you what are modules in very simple language. Guys, I would like to tell you that I would like to tell you that in in we are using the software to read this PPT known as Adobe Acrobat. So if I tell you that only 600 to 700 lines of codes, which is very much to write this to write the whole lines of code for this, you must be shocked. But if I tell you that only 100 to 150 lines of codes, or maybe lesser than that, is used to program this whole application, then what will be your reaction? Similarly, guys, in what happens is that modules in Pythons are code written by many other people. Like they are in the habit, they write the code, and the code is written in a file, and that file is available either online or either built in the Python compiler, so you can easily access it. And without using it, you can use it directly in your program without typing much, 50 to 100 lines of code. Like guys, I suppose I have written a Python. I have written a 5 to 10 lines of code of making a calculator, and I need to give that, and I am creating a website which needs a calculator web page. So creating a calculator web page in a website, I need those 5 to 10 lines of code of the calculator, but I will directly import my module, which is containing the Python code, and it can easily resolve the problem of writing 5 to 10 lines of code. The all the things would be completed in just single line by writing by writing that code that import this module. I'm going to tell you later. So these are two examples of modules. Guys, there are two types of modules, mainly built-in modules and standard library modules or external modules. Guys, built-in modules are lines of codes, and these lines of codes, or the file containing the lines of codes, are known as modules. So these modules maybe are available online, and you need to import them by by installing it, or they are built in. Guys, in your Python directory, they are already built in, and you can just import it directly. But the external modules, you need to download it from the internet, and just download it into the internet before importing it. So guys, these are the few examples for built-in modules and external modules. So here are a few examples. The first example is max provide mathematical functions and constants. Instead of writing a modulus, b modulus, or a divided by this and that, you can just insert one line of code, import math, and you can easily perform the specific function. And similarly, these are the few modules like random, JSON, and so in this you need not to download it. You need to just import it, and it would be okay. So I'm going to so guys, I'm going to just show you how it works. So first, you need to open the Windows PowerShell, which is available in all the Windows computer. So just open the Windows PowerShell, and here are library modules. These are pre-installed, so I will just try one of them. So you need to just type pip, like I am telling the, I will not tell the function of that, but I am going to name a module like Flask. I entered pip install Flask, and I hit. Now guys, it has approached the internet, and it has downloaded and installed Flask 3.0. Now guys, I am going to enter my Python interpreter. So I will just type Python and hit enter, and by the three greater than sign, we have entered Python. So now I am going to type a built-in module, like now guys, I will be easily able to import the Flask, because I will just type import Flask, and the Flask is imported. But if I type import but if I type import pandas is also imported, because pandas and these both the pandas was pre-installed. That's why it was imported without any installation. Now guys, if I try to import a module named a TensorFlow, I will just type import, and the module and its module name, I'm typing TensorFlow. So here it shows an error that import TensorFlow is not required, and no module named TensorFlow. TensorFlow is this error is shown because we haven't installed this module. For installing that, we need to just again exit from here. So we will just type exit and do this, and we are out of the Python compiler, and now we will just type pip install and I will just type the name TensorFlow. Guys, now I will take you to the new tab of Windows PowerShell, and here I will do the same thing. I will just type Python and hit enter, and now we have entered the Python interpreter again. So now guys, I'm going to show you that if I here write a pip install, and I just write a I just try to import a module. If for example I just import flask, and flask has been imported, and if I hit enter, and then I import pandas is also imported because they are pre-installed. So now guys, how will you know in future that that particular module is pre-installed, or you need to just write pip install and first download and then import it? So for that you need to go to the browser, and just you need to type python built in modules and just hit enter, and here is the website which and you need to just select the Python version. If you have done according to me, then it is 3.12.0, but you all check your Python version. Like I have 3.12, so I'll just hit, and now it contains all the pre-installed modules. So from this list only we will import a few more, few modules. Guys, now I'm going to take the example of ABC. So I'm going to just write import ABC, and I'm going to just write import, and it has imported. So, and we will take the second example. We will just write import array, and I will just write import array, and it has been imported. We will import and use multiple modules in our next videos, and we are let's get to our next topic, which is pip. So let's get to our presentation. Is pip. Guys, pip is a package manager for Python. Like guys, your smartphone or the app, there are certain apps which can manage your phone. Like you need to uninstall an app or install an app. Like guys, if you are in Android, there is a app known as Play Store. In that guys, you can install certain apps, you can uninstall certain apps, you can update certain apps, or you can do multiple things. Similarly guys, there is a pip or a package manager for Python. Guys, this is used for installing, managing and distributing Python packages, and or installing modules, or doing multiple tasks which we will do later and we will understand later. So guys, here are some commands like installing a package. You can install a package. I have shown you that pip install and package name, and you can the listing installed package, and if I type pip list, it will install. I will show you now. Just I will exit from here, and I will just type pip list, and you can see how fast it has all listed all the modules and other things I have installed. So now guys, there is also a program known as installing a package. So if I type here pip uninstall and if I write flask, and I allow it, so it has uninstalled Flask. So it's basically a package manager which can update in future. We will know how to update your modules. We can update, and we can also uninstall, install, or delete the modules using pip. So pip is basically an assistant or a package manager for Python. So guys, we came to the end of this video, and the second chapter is over. Now there was not much work in our Visual Studio Code, but from the next video we will know how we can make a calculator using Python, and we will do exciting projects ahead. Till then guys, now guys, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and keep coding.